Dental treatment shouldn't demand your entire day. It should be effortless. Welcome to Eye Health How to Use Guide, a new standard in remote oral health checkups. It connects the dentist and the patient, keeping treatment on track without extra clinic visits. To begin, the dentist opens the app and taps the patient's icon to select the profile and schedule the oral checkup. Then dentists tap on Schedule Eye Health to set up the journey. Mention the number of scans the patient must take. Remember, one scan point allows for the submission of 5 photos. If a case requires multiple scans, you can allocate extra scan points at any time. Then dentists tap on Schedule Eye Health to set up the journey. A notification arrives on the patient's device. Tapping Start Now initiates the journey for the patient. First, the dental concern is identified. The patient selects regular checkup or chooses the most relevant option. A short series of questions follows regarding the current condition of the teeth and gums. These responses provide the dentist with essential clinical context prior to the scan evaluation. Now tap on Start Scan to begin your eye health journey with Scope360. First, we'll prepare the Scope360. Open the elastic straps on the Scope360. Now, carefully slide it over your phone's rear camera, aligning the Scope360 lens directly with your phone's camera lens. The straps are secured firmly. The Scope360 must remain stable and centered throughout the scan. Now the patient is ready to scan. Your teeth should be bright and perfectly centered on the screen. Tap the screen to begin. For the front view, bite down and smile wide. The green tracking ball triggers an automatic capture once the alignment is correct. Follow the on-screen arrows. For the left view, turn your head to the right to capture the left side. For the right view, turn your head to the left to capture the right side of your teeth. For the upper arch, open your mouth slightly and tilt up. For the lower arch, open your mouth slightly and tilt down. It is as simple as this. In less than 1 minute, the scan is done. Review the quality of the captures. Once confirmed, tap Submit to Dentist to upload the scan for clinical analysis. The Eye Health AI generates an immediate clinical report. The dentist is notified once the report is successfully generated by the patient. Both the dentist and the patient can now view the findings within the app. The findings are reviewed via color-coded overlays. These pinpoint specific areas, such as tartar or malalignment, for an accurate assessment of oral health. The numbers indicate exactly how many areas require attention. While the health meter tracks overall progress, the dentist adds personalized feedback directly to the report for the patient to review. For a full record, the PDF report provides detailed results. If a follow-up is needed, the patient taps Consult Now to start the appointment process. By tapping Request Appointment, the patient selects a preferred date and time from the iTrack Live calendar. The request for an iTrack Live session is sent to the dentist for confirmation. To learn more about remote consultations, watch the next chapter in our series. This was Eye Health, complete oral health monitoring right at your fingertips. This is not just a feature, this is the future.